Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Razak at CMTrading. Today is July 12th, 2016, and today is Tuesday morning. So looking at the economic calendar today, just one major number coming out, 11 a.m. South African time. That's a GBP number coming out. That's Governor Carney will be speaking. Not more of a number, but Carney will be speaking. We'll look how that has affected the GBP already. Looking at the markets, looking at the EURUSD here, closing in on this gap. Yesterday we mentioned we were just right here in the middle of this between 111 and 1015, which is 110-ish really. And we were right smack in the middle. We were trading at 110.47. You could go and refer back to yesterday's daily review. And we said it's really not clear which way this is going to go. And sure enough, we inched up higher, and then we finally broke out. And now we look like we're going to inch in closer to this 111 number and fill in this gap. Now, obviously, resistance at 111, so let's see how that unfolds. Looking at the GBPUSD, getting stronger from yesterday, as you can see here from the morning. Hit this double bottom here at 128.5, as you can see here, and then just took it from there. So we're getting back a little bit. And we discussed this yesterday that we were looking like we were consolidating here after this colossal move. So it's firming up here, getting a little bit more stronger. Maybe we'll hit this 131.94 and fill in this gap for our next resistance level. Looking at gold, yesterday we kind of mentioned, I don't like to short some of the strongest currencies out there or strongest symbols out there, and sure enough, gold retraced about 15 points, but you see it's still strong. Okay, it didn't go back to 1337, 1327-ish level yet. It just, it looks like it's consolidating here on the lower level of about 1355-ish, 1350 level, holding this number right here. So let's see if it does break it further, and maybe we could see it retrace down to 1327. As this thing has taken off over the year, and we've mentioned that many times. Looking at oil looks like it's consolidating here also, just below $45 a barrel. Some still negative sentiment on oil, and like we mentioned yesterday, the fact that it's selling off in the summer is actually a big deal, and showing some weakness. Looking at the Dow Jones, markets were up sharply yesterday with continued buying in the indices across the world, the DAX, the FTSE, the JSE as well. And as you can see here, we're right at almost inching closer to this all-time highs of 18,237 that we hit just a year ago. And, it's kind of interesting that we're finally hitting this in the summer, because usually the summer is quite a bearish time and things kind of slow down. So let's see if this is just a prelude to the elections and what's going to happen there. So this is Razak at CMTrading. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.